Let's make creamy tomato basil soup.
Wash, dry them, and I'm slicing them in half into this bowl, and then I'm gonna toss it with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and some herbs. This onion, I use a lot of garlic. Please use a cutting board. Do as I say, not as I do. This is my basil plant from Trader Joe's.
Place your sliced and seasoned tomatoes in a single layer on your lined baking sheet. Roast tomatoes in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. Sauté onions and garlic in olive oil with salt and pepper until translucent. Add roasted tomatoes, canned tomatoes, basil, thyme, and bone broth. Simmer, blend, add cream, and enjoy.